Hi friends, today I am here to share some information about the Tata groups of companies. Tata. Tata is one of the most legendary company. Tata Groups operates in more than 100 countries across 6 continents with the mission to improve the quality of life cycle of the communities. We serve globally through long-term shareholders value creation based on their leadership with trust. Tata Sons is the principal investment holding company and the promoter of Tata companies. Tata Groups is India's only value-based corporation, a visionary, pioneering, a leader since 1868. In 1868, they started the Tata Groups and now today they become very global enterprises. As a 29-year-old, Jamsetji Tata set up the trading firm in 1848. Today, the opening companies of the Tata Group lead the nation in 10 business verticals. And the values are leadership with trust, quality, excellence, pioneering, and unity. Tata Group has a separate platform for women employees and Tata Groups has providing lot of social activities in the society. Tata Groups is an Indian multinational conglomerate holding company and its headquarters in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. It is founded in 1868 by Jamsetji Tata. The company gained international recognition after purchasing several group of companies. Of India's largest conglomerate, Tata Groups is owned by a Tata Sons. The chairman of Tata Sons is usually the chairman of the Tata Groups. Till now, Tata Groups have 8 chairmen. In 1868 to 1904, Jamsetji Tata is the chairman of Tata Groups. And 1904 to 1932, Sir Dorab Tata is the chairman of Tata Groups. And in 1932-1938, Nauraj Saklatwal is the chairman of Tata Groups. And in 1938 to 1991, J.R.D. Tata is the chairman of Tata Company. And 1991 to 2012, Ratan Tata came to the chairman posting. In 2012 to 2016, Jesus Mistry come to the chairman posting of a Tata Groups. And again, Ratan Tata came to the chairman of 2016 to 2017. And now, Natarajan Chandrasekhan is the current CEO of the Tata Groups. Now, let's see the vision and mission of Tata Groups. Vision is to be globally significant in each of our chosen business by 2025. And the mission is to be the most reliable global network for customers and suppliers that delivers the value through products and services. To be a responsible value creator for all the stakeholders. Tata Groups have a different kind of companies and the products are automotive, airlines, chemicals, defense, FMGC, home appliance, hospitality, IT services, retail. Now I took a specialization of Tata Motors. Let's see in briefly. Tata Motors is established in 1945 and the founder of Tata Motors is Jahangir Ratanji Dadabhai Tata. The slogan of Tata Motors is connecting aspiration. It means Tata Motors is a brand that understands people and mobility in all the forms. Now let's see the mission and vision of Tata Motors. We innovate mobility solutions with passion to enhance the quality of life. And the vision is by FY 2024, we will become the most aspirational Indian auto brand, constantly winning by the delivery superior finance returns, driving sustainable mobility solutions, exceeding customer expectations, and creating a high engaged workforce. And the value of Tata Motors is integrity, teamwork, accountability, customer focus, excellence, and speed. The core values are used to direct the growth of the business of Tata Motors. The core values are integrity, excellence, utility, response, and pioneering. Now let's see the culture of Tata Motors. Tata Motors culture is eco-friendly, team working, cooperative employees. They are focusing on the company's goal. There is very good performance and supporting all customers and employees in Tata Motors. Now let's see the business model of Tata. The Tata business is an excellence model. They are focusing on providing a low-cost quality vehicle to the customers. Many of the customers are looking for a low-cost, not for luxury. So they are providing a low-cost vehicle in a good quality to the customers. The company leverages their technical ability and manufacturing capabilities to reduce the overall cost of vehicle. Now let's see the competitive advantages of Tata. They achieved the lowest cost of products and while adopting the cost-focused strategy. Value chain of Tata Group is highly independent of company's resources. The value chain of Tata is developed in a manner to produce the resources at the place of manufacturing. And strategy of Tata Group is they are using innovative high-level corporate strategy undertaken by the corporates in developing and improving new products and services. Tata Group has invested large amount of money in the research and development activities. It's a success of a business. Work culture of Tata. I strongly believe that our peoples are our greatest asset. They also endeavor to nature of culture of diversity, innovation, total quality management, and employee care and respect. There is an amazing work culture, inspiration management in Tata. Everyone has a disciplined work culture. And finally, Tata Groups are producing the product according to their customer needs and they providing a low cost products in a good quality to the customers. Thank you.